Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix BlueStacks incompatible Windows settings. Before starting the video, I will ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start the video. Okay, now I will open my BlueStack. Here you can see BlueStack showing me incompatible settings. BlueStack requires certain Windows settings to function properly. Okay, let's see how we can solve it. I was downloaded an image from BlueStack website. They recommended some settings that we have to enable. Now I will show this settings list. In this image here are 5 settings you have to enable. The first settings you have to enable, that is Hyper-V, and second one is virtual machine. Third one is Windows Hyper-Vision platform. Fourth one is Windows Sandbox, and fifth one is Windows Subsystem for Linux. You may not see some of the options because these options are dependent on the version of Windows that installed on your computer. You can enable the option from the list that are available for you. To find these all settings, search here turn Windows feature on or off. Now you can see some of settings are open here. We have to find these 5 settings. At first, Hyper-V. We have to find Hyper-V. Where? We cannot find here Hyper-V. In my Windows version here Hyper-V is not available. Okay, skip it. The second one is virtual machine platform. We have to find out it. Let's see. You can see the second one, virtual machine platform, and it is enabled. And the third one is Windows Hyper-Vision platform. Here you can see Windows Hyper-Vision platform. And the fourth one is Windows Sandbox. We can see here Windows Sandbox. And the fifth one is Windows Subsystem for Linux. You can see here it is not enabled. We have to enable it. Make sure the options are enabled from the list that are available for you, and then click on OK. To save the changes settings, you have to restart your computer or laptop. Click on restart now. After restart your computer, click the right button of your mouse in the BlueStacks, and from here click on run as administrator. Now you can see it is starting smoothly. Finally the BlueStack is open. Now you can use how you want. Okay friends, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching.